It looks like an Apple Watch. It feels like one too, solid, stylish and premium. But here's the twist, it offers way better battery life. This is the Huawei Watch Fit 4 and it just might surprise you. So let's inspect. Hi, so good to meet you, Michael, the Tech Mishka here. And today we make a deep dive with this Huawei Watch Fit 4, from its health tracking and workout ecosystem to how it ranks against the 4 Pro, even last year's Fit 3, and figuring out which makes better sense to buy right now in 2025. Let's explore what makes it great, what makes it not so great, and what matters the most when it comes to choosing between the 4 Pro, the Huawei Watch Fit 3 from last year, and practically any other mid-range, sport-oriented smartwatch of 2025. Let's dive in. The Watch Fit 4 keeps Huawei's reliable tracking system intact. Continuous heart rate tracking, SpO2 monitoring, all-day stress analysis, and sleep tracking that's noticeably improved over the Fit 3. While it already does a very good job overall, especially with automatic sleep stages and wake time detection, it's still not as precise as the Oura Ring Generation 4, especially when comparing REM and awake cycles. But for most users, it is more than enough. The same we could say about the other health parameters, with heart rate for sure really accurate. Stress mostly, and there are a bunch of small parameters you could tune via the app, such that will change the way this information is collected and summarized. Oh, there's a minor transition towards well-being, which involves trends based on prolonged wearing. If you wonder about the accuracy of workout modes and GPS tracking, well, this is where the Watch Fit 4 really shines. It supports over 100 workout modes, GPS is accurate, and during my workouts I ran side-by-side HR test with the Polar H10. That was genuinely impressive. The HR tracking is within a few BPMs of the chest strap consistently, meaning that Fit 4 is well trustworthy and strengthens the reputation of the Fit line being a very efficient Garmin alternative. Yet, the workouts list could be more complete. For example, there is BMX and auto racing modes, but no e-bike modes tracking, at least not with the firmware in the first few weeks after its release. This is where Amazfit managed to overtake Huawei, and it's quite important because it's going to be very annoying to report results in Strava if you use the regular biking mode, just saying. Fit 4 is lightweight, sweat-resistant, and offers coaching feedback that's actually useful, not just generic tips. And the new premium features can unlock some extra perks, such as following targets for weight or fitness goals. Good. Like it thus far? Well, let's rewind to the unboxing. The watch is clean, minimal, and the straps almost identical to the Watch Fit 3, meaning that you've got swappable flexibility. On the wrist, it feels refreshingly lightweight, much lighter than expected, especially given the aluminum frame. Comfortable all day long. If I may add just a thought here, if you're eyeing the Pro model, that one comes with sapphire crystal on top and feels a bit more premium overall, more rugged too, undeniably sportier look. I loved its design. If you wonder about the technical specifications, here is a short list with all the notable features. There's a big and bright AMOLED display, inbuilt GPS, heart rate, SpO2 tracking, stress and sleep monitoring, 5 ATM water resistance, NFC, though not globally useful, Bluetooth 5.2 is present, battery life is up to 10 days or 5 with always on display, there are AI-based fitness suggestions, the watch is as mentioned very lightweight and makes its connection to your smartphone with the Huawei Health smartphone app. Is it an upgrade from Fit 3? Clearly so. Some of the features are refined, the display is brighter, and to me the most notable upgrade is the smoothness and the changes with the user interface, which right now bring it closer to the feeling you would get with the Apple Watch series, because this undeniably feels a lot more premium now. And yet, if I compare to some other devices of 2025, something I've recently reviewed, the Amazfit Bip 6, the features as an amount are not that many, and when it comes to the software, I think Huawei has slowed down the pace in terms of development. But speaking of the user interface and the smoothness, I really have to tell you more about this display. Vibrant and improved over the Fit 3, here 2000 nits. With the Pro version you can go up to 3000, which doesn't make it 50% brighter to the eye, but in direct sunlight you're going to notice a difference. There are plenty of watch faces, though many of the newer, better designed ones are now paid. A bit of a disappointment. The AOD configuration continues to be confusing, and Huawei are still reluctant to give you a scheduler about the AOD. So if you need it to be off during the night, which trust me, you do, go to the settings, choose mode, enter sleep mode, and adjust the desired times. You are most welcome now, and Huawei, shame on you. Battery life is good, on the other hand. Huawei promises between 4 and 5 days with always-on display, but in my case, I easily got 5 to 6 days, even with AOD, notifications and workouts, and everything in terms of health tracking was on. Without always-on display mode, you're looking at 8 to 10 days comfortably, with close to 15 if you're ready to sacrifice some of the smart features in favor of less frequent charging. But hey, this is totally my favorite upgrade. The wireless charging makes its way to the Fit line for the first time, and it's not exclusive to the Pro only. This old plate from Huawei GT3 seems to work fine, so yeah, I'm quite happy, because it means that if your phone supports reversed wireless charging, yeah, I obviously had to eject the straps and remove the phone case, but eventually works on the Galaxy S25 line. Let me now pace it down, because connectivity is just functional. Bluetooth works as expected, there's NFC, but if you're outside the few Huawei Pay-supported countries, kind of useless. The Pro model adds Wi-Fi, which gives it a slight edge in syncing speed and OTA upgrades, but not a game changer. You probably have seen Huawei Health in the last few minutes already, and not much has changed over the past years. Or, here's the thing, the watch includes a 3-month Huawei Health Plus trial. After that, it reverts to the free version unless you subscribe. The good news that all the core features, like sleep, workout stats and vitals, are still available without a subscription, and nothing essential has been locked behind this paywall, at least for now. If you think of its existence as if it is a drawback, then let me add more. There is no body temperature sensor, some UI quirks and lags are still present, the NFC module is practically useless in most countries, and I still have some remarks about the workout modes. So, should you buy the Watch Fit 4? Not if you already have the Fit Generation 3, and if you have this dilemma whether you should go for the Pro Edition. Yes, it feels more stylish and comes with sapphire crystal coating, which is definitely nice, better waterproofing, bunch of additional health tracking sensors, and this ECG functionality, which I'm pretty sure that inflates the price the most because of all these regulations and certifications that Huawei had to pass. And yet, given the fact that this buddy here covers probably 90% of the functionality, I would say it is the more reasonable and better value smartwatch out of these. It is very stylish, super slim, very nice feeling on the hand, almost Apple Watch feeling category, and the wireless charging is a bliss. This is my opinion, and I'm very much looking to hear about yours in the comments below, where I promise to help in case you have some other questions related to the Fit 4. Thank you very much for watching this episode. Stay fit, stay smart, stay curious, spend your money wisely. It's just a review, not an incentive to buy something, and try to avoid buying stuff and tech that you don't really need. That's everything from my end for today. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. I'm the Tech Mishka. Gotta catch up in the next one. Bye!